Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will be learning JavaScript function with challenge. I will cover 8 topics in this series: introducing function, return a value from function, parameter and argument, variable scope, function declaration versus function expression, arrow syntax function, default function parameter, and a challenge. By the end of this course, you will be confident building programs using JavaScript function. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the latest videos. Now, let's get started with our first topic, introducing function. Function is like a recipe. Just as a recipe tells you how to cook a dish, a function tells your code how to perform a specific task. Here's a basic example. Imagine we have a function called greet, and it's like a little machine that says hello. We define our function with a function keyword followed by the function name and parentheses. Inside the curly braces, we write the instruction for our function, like logging hello world in the console. Now, whenever we want to greet someone in our code, we simply call or invoke our greet function. It's like pressing a button on our little greeting machine. To call a function, we write the name of the function followed by parentheses. Now, the function will run and log the message hello world in the console. Functions make our code neat and organized, allowing us to reuse the same code block multiple times without repetition. Now, let's take them in action. First, let's create a function using a function keyword followed by the name of the function. I will say generate random number as we will be generating random number. Then let me add a variable random number and assign them to math.floor math.random into 20 plus 1. You should be familiar with this code if you watched my previous course, JavaScript Math. Now I want to log this in console, so I will use console.log random number. At this stage, the function will not run. In order to run this function, you need to call them. So add the name of the function followed by the parentheses. If you look at the browser, you can see the random number is there. The best part of the function is you just need to create them once, but you can run them as many times as you want. Now, if you look at the browser, you can see 4 different random numbers. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will learn the second topic, return a value from function. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.